In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a video in a discussion board posting, such as this first one we have for our class introductions. I really prefer that you do videos, especially for this assignment, because it helps us get to know each other, to put a face with a name. So it's super easy to do right here in Canvas. I can just click on reply, and then this box comes up where you could type your reply, but also you can just click right here, upload record media. It's this little thing, maybe looks like a little screen, and there's a couple music notes by it. So I'm going to click upload record media, the top one. It'll open this box with the rocket ship on it. Then I'll click record. And there I am. It's ready to start recording. Now I don't think it'll work for me to actually record because I'm already recording this message for you and using my camera for that. But you would just click start recording. When you're done, stop recording, and it will post right to the assignment. I did an example on my own, and so I hope that that records and you'll be able to see it. And that's the way you record your posting. So I hope a lot of you will be brave and record yourself in a video introduction. Thanks. Bye-bye.